Here in this video we are going to discuss about the principle of superposition. So what is the principle of superposition? So here we can say if two equal and opposite collinear forces are added to or removed from the system of force, there will be no change in the system and position of the body. So here we can say the combined effect of force system acting on a rigid body. So if I will say this is a rigid body and the combined effect of force, combined means here we can take the F1 is a force and F2 is a force, is the sum of the effects of individual forces, and the diagonal will give you the resultant. So here a diagonal is there, so there will be a question appear in your mind. So what is the diagonal? So here in this figure you will see ABCD square is there. So here we can say BD is the diagonal of this square. Okay, here is also a diagonal is there. So this diagonal is represented as the resultant. So here we can say this F1 and F2 force are combined with a single force known as the resultant force. So here you can see a body is there. Okay, a body is moving with 10 Newton force. So here we can say, or we will apply equal and opposite collinear forces. So here I will give a 20 Newton force, and in that opposite direction also I will give a 20 Newton force. So here it says that if two equal and opposite collinear forces are added, we are added here the two extra forces. So or you can remove the force from the system of force, there will be no change in the system. So here the forces are in equilibrium. So if you will be add 20 Newton force in that direction, and in this direction you also give the 20 Newton force, then the total force will be 0. Then the 20 Newton and 20 Newton force will be 0. So there will be no effect on the body if you will be add some force or you will be remove some force on the body. So again there is a force known as 10 Newton. Look at this figure. If you will be apply force of 15 Newton, and here you will apply again 15 Newton. So here says that if two equal force of 15 Newton and 15 Newtons are equal and opposite, means this force is in this direction and this is the opposite direction of this 15 Newton, and collinear, so they are lying in a single line. So if you will be add or remove from the system of force, there will be no change in the system and position of the body. So here the principle of superposition is very easy, you have to understand. So thank you to all of you. See you in the next video.